Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice German with Mohini. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice German with Mohini. I hope you're enjoying my videos so far. So now today I have come up with a very interesting topic, which is weather. You know, it always keeps changing. Like today is weather. So we will learn about weather in German, das Wetter, okay? Auf Deutsch lernen wir heute. So wie ist das Wetter? How is the weather? Okay, it always keeps changing. Wie ist das Wetter? Sometime it rains, okay? Sometime it's sunny, sometime it's cloudy, sometime it's cold. So let's find out how to say all these things in German language. So when you ask about the weather, you will ask the question, wie ist das Wetter? Wie means here how. Here wie means how. Ist means is. Das Wetter, the weather. So whenever you want to ask about the weather, you can say this question, how is the weather? Wie ist das Wetter? Let me just quickly erase it before we move to the next screen. Yeah. So you see a picture on your screen, right? It is raining. An umbrella is there and it's raining. So how do we say it is raining in German? We say es regnet. Es regnet. Wie ist das Wetter? Whenever it's raining, you can simply say es regnet heute. That means today it is raining. Next. So you see, it's snowing, right? Es schneit. Es schneit. So it is snowing. Schneit, snows. So thus, when we want to say snow, we call it Schnee, okay? So es schneit, it is snowing. Next, it's windy, right? We call it es ist windisch. Es ist windisch. It is windy. The weather is so windy. Next, so it's cloudy. The clouds are, covering up the sun. So es ist wolkisch. Wolken, es gibt Wolken. There are clouds. Es ist wolkisch. This is cloudy. Like fog all around. So it's so foggy. And what do you think? It is es ist kalt. Es ist kalt. And for the previous picture, we will say es ist neblig. Es ist neblig. Nebel means fog, right? So es ist neblig. It is foggy. Yeah. So the temperature is very low, right? So it's very cold. Es ist kalt. Es ist kalt. Wie ist das Wetter? Auf diesem Bild sehen wir einen Mann. Ja? Trägt kein Hemd. He's not wearing any shirt. So it's very hot, right? He's making sandcastles. Es ist heiß. It is hot. The weather is very hot. Es ist heiß. When we say very hot, we call it sehr heiß. Now the sun is shining. We call it die Sonne scheint. Die Sonne scheint. The sun is shining. So you can see that, thunder is happening. Yeah, lightning and thundering. Es donnert und blitzt. Thundering is called donnern. Donnert, es donnert, it thunders. Und blitzt, es gibt eine Blitze. That means lightning. Es donnert und blitzt. So now let us quickly match the following. Yeah, es regnet, it is raining. Es ist wolkisch, it is cloudy. Die Sonne scheint, the sun is shining. Es ist neblig, it is foggy. Es donnert und blitzt, it is thundering and lightning. Es ist heiß, it is hot. Es ist kalt, it is cold. Es schneit, it is snowing. Es ist windig, it is windy. So now I think you are able to tell about the weather whenever somebody asks you how is the weather today. Wie ist das Wetter heute? Sie können das sagen, ja? Es regnet, es ist wolkig oder die Sonne scheint oder es ist kalt. Sie können alles sagen, ja? Wenn jemand Ihnen über das Wetter fragt, Sie können jetzt antworten. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope you liked the topic and you learned how to talk about weather now. And thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more such informative German videos. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, Practice German with Mohini. Thank you.